Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with Ciro. I got a very special treat for us today. Hot cocoa, chocolaty Abuelita. It's a staple in Mexico, this brand of hot cocoa, and we're gonna do it. And guess what? We're not gonna follow the instructions. And you know what? It's gonna taste amazingly delicious. All right, so per the instructions, it's one of these little tablets for every 4 cups of milk. So I'm going to loosely follow the instructions. Here we go. We're going to dissolve 2 little discs. However, so instead of doing 2 discs and 8 cups of milk, we're doing 2 discs and 6 cups of milk only. Once this dissolves, you will see what my secret ingredients are. I'm going to allow these 2 little blocks to dissolve and for the milk to come up to a boil. Once that happens, I will be adding my secret ingredient. All right, once you see it start to boil a little bit, lower the heat quickly. You want to lower the heat very quickly because milk will overflow very, very fast. In a blink of an eye, literally, it'll just overflow. So once it comes to a quick boil, you lower the heat all the way down. Here's where we put our secret ingredient. Remember, the recipe called for 8 cups of milk. We only put 6 cups of milk. And the reason is we're going to put 2 cans of evaporated milk. And lastly, 1 can of condensed milk. And that's it. Give it a little stir and it's ready to serve. Oh my God, this is good, y'all. It is good. If you've had this chocolate before, you know it's delicious already. However, my secret recipe, which is no longer secret, when you substitute the regular milk with evaporated milk and also condensed milk, it gives this hot cocoa a different flavor. It's a thicker, richer flavor. It's already creamy by nature, but it's a little bit more creamy, a little bit more thick, and a little bit sweeter. It's great. And you know, the condensed milk has a very, very distinct flavor, which is delicious. I encourage everyone out there to try this. There's different brands. You don't just have to use Abuelita. The same technique would work for other types of hot cocoa. Try it, let me know what you think. And hey, like this video, share this video, subscribe. And guess what? If you didn't like this video, I'm gonna make another video. Go and like that video.